How to add clothes during a wash cycle. Oops, you forgot to throw big Mr. Teddy in the wash with the rest of the kids' stuffed animals. Don't worry, Electrolux has a special Add Clothes feature. You can interrupt a program which is still running if the Add Clothes light is lit. Just press the Start Pause touchpad to stop the wash cycle. Wait for the machine to come to a complete stop before opening the door. Add items, close the door, and resume the program by pressing the Start Pause button again. Whether it's a small sock or a large teddy bear, with Electrolux, it's super simple. Electrolux, ultimate care.